What's up, everybody? We're here at the Herman Gulch trailhead. Today we're going to be going for Parnassus Peak via Watrous Gulch. It's a beautiful day out. It's about 6:15 a.m. Sun's already up, and we're going to get on this trail. Just turned off for the Watrous Gulch sign. Trail conditions are changing pretty dramatically right now. It's nothing but snow at the moment. Makes the trail a little hard to follow, but I think we go down this way and just keep trucking along. Haven't put on the micro spikes yet. Snow is very hard right now, early in the morning. It's the best time to be walking across snow. I think Emily almost busted butt right there. So did I. I'm sure when we return, the snow would be a lot softer. But so far, I really like this trail. It's beautiful. Not many people. I haven't seen one person on this trail yet. Most people come to Herman Gulch for back skiing, stuff like that. So we pretty much got this whole trail to ourselves right now, and hopefully once we summit, we'll have the whole summit peak to ourselves as well. There she is, Parnassus Peak, or is it Mount Parnassus? But that's what we're going for. Views out here are pretty amazing. The best part about this hike is there's no one around. This is how you social distance. Ain't that right, Em? Ow! This is social distancing right here, guys. We are still making our way up. I don't know how much further we got, but the path to the summit is in sight. It's still a long path, though. It's definitely a butt burner. Gotta love it, though. It's a beautiful hike, but we're at the saddle right now, and it's getting kind of cold out. Much better. All right, so we just left the saddle. There's not really a defined trail here, so pick your way up and just shoot on up to the summit. Let's get this. When we get up here. Woo! It's a giant cairn in front of us. Guessing that's the true summit. We can look at that later though. Let's check this out over here. What have you, Emily? You want to head over there? That's a yes. I mean, guys, these views up here are just absolutely amazing. And this is why I do it. These views to get more views from views. Alright guys, it's about 10 a.m. We're in between Bard Peak and Parnassus Peak, and we were gonna go for Bard Peak, but it's getting late for me anyway. 10 a.m. is very late for me to be on top of a mountain. So we got some good exercise in, about 3.8 miles to here, so we'll have 3.8 back, but it'll be a lot easier going down. Believe it or not, there's absolutely no wind between these two mountains in this saddle right now. And of course I put on all my wind gear, but that's how it goes. This is a great hike, very challenging. Last mile or so up to Parnassus Peak is a calf burner. It's just slow and steady elevation gain. I just looked on my All Trails app. Seems like we've covered about 4,000 feet of elevation gain right now. But we're gonna head on back up to this peak and then head on down back home. We've been descending for about, 45 minutes now, and we just got to the snow slope, and man, this feels good on my knees. Coming down was a little rough on the quads and the knees, but I mean, that's probably why people carrying trekking poles, not us, so we don't use that crap. Post hole country out here. Post holed about 50 times already. Even the guy with the snowshoes is post holing, just post holed, and I'm stuck. About knee deep, no, waist deep. Should have brought the snowshoes. All right, guys, I gotta tell you, I love this trail. I absolutely love this trail. Parnassus Mountain, Parnassus Peak, whatever it is, was amazing. It was an amazing hike. It was very steep up there. These last 2 miles 3 miles back to the trailhead. No, probably about 2 miles. We've just been post holing every 2 feet, and it's just really bad, but it's a rookie mistake. I should have definitely brought the snowshoes. It would have majorly, for sure, been worth the extra weight we would have had to carry around, but we didn't. I didn't call for the snowshoes, and that's just a rookie mistake. But we're almost out of the snow. It's just more annoying than anything, because you know it's going to happen. You know you're going to fall in. You just don't know where you're going to fall in. And then when you're post-holing everywhere, you're screwing up the trail for everyone else that's smart and brings snowshoes. So to those people that are smart, sorry, I effed up. But we're almost out of the snow. We're almost out of the woods. Almost back to the trailhead. Love this hike though. Highly recommend it. If you enjoy what you see, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you think this video was dope, go ahead, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, hit that like button anyway, just for the heck of it. Yeah, we clocked in about, what, 10 miles, 9 miles. Haven't checked the elevation gain yet, the total, but we'll post that in the video like always. All right, y'all, so until next hike, catch y'all around. Until then, just check out this closing B-roll.